SandPlane by Milescraft. The SandPlane will help you sand countless DIYs from home improvement, furniture restoration, auto body to woodworking and more. Match almost any shape with its 4 interchangeable profiles. Attach a standard 5-inch hook and loop backed sanding disc. Grab its ergonomic grip that prevents slipping and adds comfort. And you're ready to go. The flat profile is great for planks, plywood sheets, sheet metal, and much more. The V-groove profile fills in hard-to-reach gaps like tongue and groove joints, spindles, and crown molding. The Convex profile sands rounded grooves like those in molding, spindles, and cove trim. The Concave profile fits around various size objects such as dowels and pipes, and quarter-round trim. And use it to smooth out PVC, copper, aluminum, steel, fiberglass, and countless other materials. The SandPlane will give your projects and crafts a perfect finishing touch. Milescraft. Always the better idea.